Yan. Yan ang panlaban ko sa mga putang ina ninyo.
I never aspired to be a statesman yung hindi to alam Marcos I mean my countrymen. Wala yan. Hoy mga putang ina ninyo.
I'd like to remind the Philippine government that there has to be a law which has to be followed. Nabuang ka dyan. Nawa ko si Trump, sabi ko, Mr. President-elect, this is President Duterte of the Philippines. Ah, yes. I've been expecting your call. I know that you'll call. Ito ang sabi ni Trump, I make it public. Yeah, I support you. You are doing it right. You know, my country, the son of it, they say, yagi panganlan din, yung pangalan, he named it, alam na niyo, no? They're flooding my country with drugs. I'm doing what you did. You're doing it right. Alam mo, si Trump is a realist, a pragmatic thinker. Akala mo lang puro, pareho kami yung pakunwari lang na magbinastos dyan, gano'n, magsalita. Pero, hindi na alam, yung si Trump, nag-iisip ng malalim yan. Hindi yan maging bilyonaryo. Makatayo ka na ng isang poste, puta, bilyonaryo ka na. Kita mo yung building niya. Paano ka maging bobo? Totoo. Trump, malalim yan. Kunwari lang. Kasi pareha ko, hindi man ako talagang bright na bright.